And we are back with 9 in the news. This is Kevin Thompson, founder of 9 Capital Group, and we're talking about, are we headed to a recession? And what would that mean for the housing market? So, of course, as you know, I'm often quoted in these articles. And the first question I'm going to answer is, are we headed towards a recession? And my very first point is, I believe the U.S. is heading towards a recession, particularly due to the uncertainty within the small business and manufacturing sectors. I want everybody to understand this. If you're going up and down and flip flopping about tariffs, I cannot purchase my inventory, whether I'm going to be stuck with a lot of inventory or not have enough inventory, and the volatility of the pricing. So, right now, business owners, a majority of them are just sitting on their hands. So, yes, there will be a recession. The depth of it, I don't know. But many industries, like I said in this article here, are being forced to either pull forward inventory purchases or delay them to avoid being stuck with inventory they cannot sell or would have to sell at a loss. During a recession, housing supply in this situation often increases as people lose homes and asset values tend to decline, reducing home equity. Demand for housing also weakens due to job losses for those with available capital. This could present an opportunity to purchase homes at a lower value. So, the moral of the story is, are we headed towards a recession? I do believe that because that's just two negative quarters of GDP. I think we'll have a negative quarter of GDP coming up this year and followed by another one due to the fact that the tariffs are a lagging indicator. And as the quicker we can get that volatility out of the market, the better the market will end up sustaining the new policies. So, yes, I do believe we are headed towards a recession, but the depth of that recession still is in question. Of course, we have employment numbers that are be coming out that are going to be worse than people anticipate or maybe as anticipate. And we have people leaving the job market in droves due to government jobs being lost. And you have corporations that are not going to hire because of the uncertainty in the current landscape. So, this confluence of events that are coming down the pike is the reason why I believe that a recession is near. Thank you guys for joining 9 in the news. Until next time.